Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Yes, students, we have completed our exercise number 2.1. Now we are going to start our new exercise 2.2 in new lesson quadratic equation. See the first question. Solve the following quadratic equation by factorization method. The first question is there. Question number 1. Here what we have to see there. In the first question, x square minus 15x plus 54 equal to 0. The first question is there. X square minus 15x plus 54 equal to 0. This is the factorization. Here we have to see the first, third number and the middle number minus 15. The factorization we have seen in same lower standard, 8th standard as well as in 9th standard. Here we will continue this one factorize method. Okay. Now we have to search two numbers. Their product must be 54. We have to search two numbers. Their product must be 54. Like this one. See, the product must be 54 and their addition or subtraction must be minus 15. Okay. Minus 15 will be the addition or subtraction. Okay. Now see here, you will see 6 into 9. The number first I am taking here 6 into 9. 6 9 you will get the 54. And 6 plus 9 you will get 15 only. What we have to bring? Minus 15. So we will take the minus sign with the both one. Then we will get what? 6 9 the 54 minus minus plus 54 you will get there. And minus 6 minus 9. Here you will get minus minus plus 6 plus 9 15 with the greater number sign minus 15. So we are getting minus 15 middle term and plus 54 the third term. This is the correct number and suitable number. So we will take this one having the with variable. See how to solve it and how to write this one. X square minus 6x minus 9x. In the place of 15 minus 15x, we will write the minus 6x and minus 9x. What we have solved the number, okay? And the last term we will write as it is plus 54 equal to 0. Now here we take the common elements. Here we have the x as a common. We take here x as a common. We will get here inside x into x we will get x square. This is the outside, so the remaining is the 6. Okay, now try once again. X into x, we will get x square. 6 into x, we will get the minus 6x. We will repeat this bracket and once more. X minus 6 is equal to 0. Now here in both the number 9x and 54, here we will take the 9 as a common and we will check this one. 9 into x will get 9x. 9 is the 54 minus plus 54. We are correct here. So what we do here? See the minus 6, x minus 6 is the same. So we will take as a common this one. X minus 6 will take the as a common. Okay. At once we will take the x minus 6. The remaining number x minus 9 will write in other bracket x minus 9 equal to 0. Like this we have to take the common. Okay. Now continue it. Here we have the x minus 6. The 0 will be there equal to 0 for the both the brackets. So we will write x minus 6 equal to 0 or we will write here x minus 9 is equal to 0. Now bring the minus 6 at the right side, we will get the Okay, I think you got this question. Now question number 2. See, here we have the x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. X square plus x minus 20 equal to 0. It's our question. Now here same thing, we have the minus 20 in the third place. Minus 20 we have here. Now we have to search the two number. There must be product minus 20 and the addition or subtraction is there plus 1. Okay. So you know that 20 belongs to the table of 2, 2 tens are 20, 2 tens are 20. But be careful, we are getting in product 20, 10 minus 2 you will get the 8. We have to bring the 1. Now you continue here, see 4 into 5, 4 5s are 20. Okay, the difference, meaning 4 minus 5 or 5 minus 4 must be the 1. Okay, now here we have to put the sign, the minus sign. See here we have the plus sign in the middle, so we take the greater number with plus sign and we put the minus sign with the smaller number. Okay, now see 4 5s are 20 plus minus sign we get minus sign. Now here 5 minus 4 we get the plus 5. Okay, we are getting minus 20 and plus 1. This is the suitable number. With the variable will keep here the number. Okay, see here variable x square, the plus 5x minus 4x minus 20 will as it is. In place of 1x we will write the 5x plus 5x minus 4x. Now taking the common elements here. Now take the x as a common, we keep the inside x, power 2 is there, 1 out, 1 inside. Now here the 5 will as it is. We will repeat the first bracket. In the second bracket x plus 5 equal to 0. Here we take the minus 4. See here we will check the we are correct or not here. Minus 4 into x we will get minus 4x. 4 5s are 20 plus minus minus 20. We are correct. Now continue. We will take this bracket as a common according to the last. You will have here x plus 5 as a common. In other bracket we will add the x minus 4 equal to 0. Now the equal to 0 will be for both the bracket x plus 5 equal to 0 or x minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to plus 5 in the right side, the minus 5, okay, and the minus 4 being the right side, plus 4. The answer is minus 5 and 4. It's your answer. Now continue in the next question. See very well, the question number 3. What we have? Here something is different. 2y square plus 27y plus 13 is equal to 0. Here what we have? See very well. We have more than one coefficient in the question. See here we have the 2 and the third term we have the 30. Before it we have the coefficient 1. Okay, here also 1. So directly we have solved, but here something is different. We'll take the product of first and last term, means 2 into 30. You will get 13 into the 13 2s are 26. So the searching number must be 26 and their product must be 26. What we are going to search, their product must be 26 and the addition or subtraction will be there 27. So it's very simple this one. 26 belongs to the table of itself, so we'll take the 26 1 the 26. Okay, 26 plus 1 will get 27. Easily we are getting here all numbers are positive. Take the all numbers with the positive sign. So we'll write here the 2y square. We got 26 first. Take the with y and 1 means 1y. Okay, now plus 13 is equal to 0. Here we have the 2y as a common, we'll take here. Okay, so we'll take the here 2y as a common inside the bracket. Take the y only, 2y into y, you will get the 2y square, and here we'll take the 13. Y is already Therefore, we got y plus 13 is equal to 0 or 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, we have here y plus 13 bring the right side minus 13, or here we get the y plus 1 bring the right side minus 1, and please multiplying here bring the right side, it will divide the minus 1. This is your answer, y equal to minus 13 or y equal to minus 1 by 2. Got everyone this one? Okay. Now continue the next question. The question number 4th one. See, 5m square is equal to 22m plus 15. It is your question. Okay, 5m square equal to 22m plus 15. Here, see very well all of you. Will arrange the first the given equation. Okay, what 5m square will get this? Bring the 22 to left side. You get the minus 22m. Also bring the 15 left side. Minus 15 equal to 0. According to this question, the first and third one have the product. Okay, 5 into minus 15. 15 by the 75 plus minus minus. Same thing. We'll set the number. Two numbers. We'll set two numbers. Their product must be minus 75 and their addition or subtraction must be minus 22. See very well. 25 into 3. 25 3 is a 75 you will get there. 25 into 3 you will get 75. Okay. Now here we have in the middle minus sign, so we put the minus sign with the greater number. Okay. Now 25 is 75 plus minus minus 75 minus 25 and plus 3 will get plus minus minus 25 minus 3 will get how much? 22. The greater number is with the minus sign with 22. Therefore, we are getting here minus 75 and middle term minus 22 we are getting here. So our number is very suitable. So we will take this one with the m. Okay. Now write the equation. 5m square will be as it is minus 25 with m plus 3 with m minus 15 is equal to 0. Now here I am taking 5m as a common. Okay, because both are multiple of 5. So I am taking the 5m as a common inside bracket. M will be there. 5 into m, you will get the 5m into m, 5m square. 5 5s are, you will get 25m. In another bracket, we will write m minus 5 will repeat according to the last. Here we will take the 3. See, we are correct or not? 3 into m, we will get 3m. 3 by the 15 plus minus 15, we are correct. So we will take the as a common m minus 5. Okay, and outside the number is there 5m plus 3. In other bracket we will write this one. Okay, now continue. M minus 5 as it is, it will be equal to 0. That way 5m plus 3 is equal to 0. Now continue. Minus 5 in the right side we get m is equal to plus 5. Here, see, m is equal to plus 3, bring the right side minus 3 and 5 will divide. Therefore, the answer will be there, m equal to 5 or m equal to minus 3 upon 5. In this question, okay, in question number 3rd and 4th, you have to see very whatever we have the equation is given, we will arrange the equation in the correct form, and if we have more than one coefficient, okay, the number, okay, first number and third number, we take the product of both the numbers. Okay, then we will set the number according to given solution. Now see the next question here. What we have? 6th one. Question number 6th one. Sorry, 5 one. Question number 5. What we have? 2x square minus 2x plus 1 by 2 equal to 0. Here we have the third term 1 by 2. This one we have to cancel the fraction. What we have the denominator in 2, so we'll multiply. We'll write here multiply by 2 on each side. In the equation we are going to multiply here. We are going to multiply 2 into 2x square minus 2x into 2. Here also 2 into 1 by 2. 0 into 2. This 2 will be cancelled. 2 on the 2. Okay. Now continue. You get 2 into 2, you get 2 to the 4x. 2 into 2, you get the 4x with minus sign. Here you have the plus 1 only and 2 0 0. We got here the correct form of the equation. What? 4x square minus 4x plus 1. See, product of first and last term. 4 into 1, we will get 4 to the 4. Now here we have to solve the number. The product must be 4 and addition or subtraction must be minus 4. So you take that 2 into 2. 2 to the 4. Minus sign is here. Okay, take the minus sign with both the numbers. 2 to the 4 minus minus plus 4. In product we got the plus 4. Now minus 2 minus 2 minus minus plus 2 plus 2 4 with the one number sign or greater number sign. Both are equal, so we take the ones number sign minus 4. So we are getting plus 4 and minus 4. So this is our suitable number. So we'll keep here and solve. 4x square we got minus 2x minus 2x and third term we write here plus 1 equal to 0. Here we take the common. Okay. What? This is the product of or multiple of 2. So we take the 2x as a common. Okay. Now the remaining will be here 2x. 2 to the 4 and x square. Here the completely 2x is outside. So we'll take 1 here with minus sign. And take the table of this one. 2 to the 4x square, 2x on the 2x will get here. Okay. Now we'll repeat this one. 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Here all the numbers are same here. Only we'll keep here minus 1. See here. Very good. Checking it. 2 into 1 means 2x on the 2x plus minus minus. 1 ones are 1 minus minus plus. They are correct. So continue here. 2x minus 1. I am writing as it is as a common. You write here once more 2x minus 1 equal to 0. You got here 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Other way, the 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Next, you write here 2x minus 1 bring the right side plus 1. Or here also 2x minus 1 bring the right side plus 1. Therefore, finally the answer is that x is equal to 1 by 2. 2 is multiplying. It will divide the right side number. Same thing here. The x is equal to 1 by 2. Here we got the solution x equal to 1 by 2, or in other way we got the x equal to 1 by 2. This 5 question you will repeat many times at home. These all are very important questions. See very nicely the factorization you have seen already in 8th standard and 9th standard. Now you are looking once more this factorization. You be careful about if you are given in factorization no variable here. Means the coefficient is not there. Suppose here no coefficient is there, you will understand 1 and you will do the only simply like this one. If you are getting more than one coefficient according to the third and fourth and fifth question, so you will have to take the product of the first term means the coefficient and the third term. Okay, whatever you will get the product, that number you have to search. Okay, now at home you will do it many times for your perfection. Thank you. Jazakallah. Inshallah we will see in next lecture, next question. Assalamu alaikum.